Rosemount Convention Center in America, in Chicago, Illinois, nearby O'Hare Airport. What a beautiful organizing. Always Chicago is welcoming city.
Have a drink.
Chicago itself.
Have a drink.
Chicago's protocol is wonderful.
Drinking.
Convention is coming soon. There will be 2 days convention.
You will.
Bright convention and home accessories convention. You can see, visit, and you can hire too. You can get some stall for displaying your stuff. Lot of business people, business mind people, someone business caring, someone I know someone are carrying their businesses more than 52 years, more than half century. My neighbor, my next business gentleman,
This is candle on water. See?
they are carrying this business more than 54 years.
All candles, man.
There is a lot of opportunity in America. If you are getting some opportunity, you should avail. And Chicago's people, wonderful people. If you talk with those people, you will excited. And people always happy to help. Look, candles are on the water glasses. You can see there is glass, water, and there is candles. I was talking to this gentleman. He is a very, very friendly person. Everyone I saw, wonderful